Hello sellers, welcome to Shopsy by Flipkart. In this video, you learn how to create bulk listing on Shopsy. Log into your seller account and click on the Add New Listings option under the Listings tab on the dashboard. Once you are redirected to Add Listings page, don't forget to click on Shopsy in the top left corner. Next, click on Add Listing in Bulk. You can now select your relevant product vertical by clicking on the menu or typing the category name in the search box. Next, click on Select Brand and enter the brand name under which you will be selling your products. With relaxed guidelines on Shopsy, a brand's approval letter is required only if the registered brand asks for it. Moreover, you can also enter unbranded and non-registered products on Shopsy. In the Create Your Catalog page segment of bulk listing, you can upload the catalog if you have already created it. If not, you can click on the Excel sheet and then click on Download Template to start creating the catalog. Once downloaded, enable editing in the template and go through all the general guidelines and catalog template guidelines in the summary sheet. Navigate to Index Sheet and click on the subcategory of your product. This will take you to your product sheet in the template. In the product sheet, start updating information from column G. First, enter a unique SKU ID and then fill in relevant product information like price, style code, size, description, keywords, etc. for each product. The rows marked in blue color are mandatory to fill. Make sure all products are of the same product category. Now, add relevant images to showcase your product with our relaxed image guidelines. Depending on the product type, you can even upload simple tabletop or hanger images. Once uploaded, click on Save. Save the file in your system without changing the file name. Upload the saved file in the product info segment and wait for QC approval. After approval by the QC team, you can activate your listing and go live. Simple, quick and easy. So what are you waiting for? List your products and start earning with Shopsy today. Press the bell icon and subscribe to our channel to never miss a Shopsy update. Don't forget to like and share this video.